Hello everyone, here's how to download the editing software for the SK45. Go to our official website. Click on Support, then Software Downloads, and select the open label version to download. Extract the installation package and double-click the Setup program. Choose your preferred language and click Next. Then click Finish to complete the installation. The editing interface will automatically appear. Click on Settings to adjust the language settings. To test printing, click on New, enter a title, and set the printer's width and height. Click Create, then edit text by double-clicking it. You can adjust the font size by selecting the text. Click on 1D barcode, drag the sides to resize, and adjust the font size. Double-click to edit. Click Print, select the corresponding printer name, choose SK45 here, and click Print. The machine will print one sheet. If the printing is successful, go to the print settings to adjust the printer's parameters, such as density and speed, based on your actual needs.